Hi everyone! We're going to experience Japan by everything kawaii again with Doki Doki.
It did wasn't it?
Okay, so let's.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, let's get it open. Boop.
Ooh.
Let's read this first.
So Doki Doki made. Okay, you have to wait. Wait, so we can get a Kirby Bentley, Kirby Ice Sleep Mask, My Melody mesh case, Super Good Towel, and a party shirt plushie. Oh, that's adorable. And then we had to reach out to win these little items. Yeah. Oh, they look adorable. Yeah.
So let's take a look what
we saw this show.
Yeah, it's Rilekukuma, and it says.
It was
and the other one-
that show.
It's a baby version Rilekukuma. Oh, it's so cute.
And
Oh,
don't forget
this
the sleep.
little
And this
baby.
is what the sleep mask looks like, but you can't see it yet. This is the sleep mask.
He's an adorable little sleep mask.
And she's running around thing on the floor. So, and then that light.
Oh, I found it. So here it is. It looks like a lamp and it's adorable.
It's Kirby.
Because of course it's adorable. And then we have
What's over
the
there?
little cute mesh case.
Which is
Ooh, it's a pencil case, but it has like this mesh on it, like the mesh balls do.
is My Melody.
Now let's. Oh my gosh! It's adorable!
It's a shark.
It's a little whale shark.
What? And
A
it's rainbow.
It's a
It's adorable.
Oh, it's just a real shark. These things open.
Oh my gosh!
Guys, let's open up these things.
This shark is so adorable. Can I take a look?
No, it's a real
Chase, get back here. Chase, you want to finish the video?
No, I got the
That's
real
adorable.
shark.
Okay, let's move this over here for a second. And here, let me try.
I'm hungry.
Okay, here, have the food.
I feel hungry.
Here, have 2 mountains of food.
Yum, yum, yum. Bob! Don't screaming.
So here's the instructions. It needs 3 batteries.
It needs water. It needs water. It needs water.
I think we actually finished the series of Rilekuma.
It needs water.
Okay, here's your water.
We should also one when a ghost popped up. No, it's have the air.
Yeah, that one is cool, right? Gavin, should we watch that one again?
Yeah.
The ghost one?
Yeah.
There we go. That took a while.
There we go.
Oh man.
We need batteries.
Chase. So yeah, we need 3 batteries for this to work.
Which-
But let's look at the decorations. So here's the button that's supposed to turn it on. So it says Kirby's Pun.
and here's the little Kirby guy.
And
And
look at
what's that wheel?
Look at it. Oh my gosh. That guy's sticking his butt out.
Wait, where?
Look at it. And then there's a bunch of parasols.
And this is the first.
Kirby
And
and
this
his
is
little
the-
friend. So this is adorable. Let's move that over here.
This side.
Chase, can we take the tag off the little shark? Or do you like the tag?
I love the top.
Can I take a look? Okay,
I
can I
want
get it?
the top off. And
I'll
also
take
with
the tag off.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, his mouth opens a little bit so he can go.
Okay.
I'm not. Oh my gosh. And he's super colorful and adorable. Look at the little gills. Do you like the tag or no, Chase?
No.
You want no tag or yes tag?
No top. And it's the sleeping mask.
Got it.
No.
Yes. Okay, so can you cut like right here, please, so we can. Wait, we don't need scissors. Oh, there's 2 other ones. There's this guy and Kirby.
He has Kirby.
Yes, we actually have the game Kirby. It's super cool. Eye mask.
It's stuck.
That's adorable. This is big. Let me see if it fits. Maybe it's a little big. That's you.
That's me.
Okay, Chase, you want to put this on?
Yes.
Okay, let me get over there real quick.
And me.
Ready? Oh, that's so cute. Chase, can you go? Can you come over? Look at that. Oh, that is adorable.
That's the real sock.
Let me try it on.
That was the
That
real.
is cool. This is perfect for pencils.
Yeah.
Look at the little red melody designs. It's so adorable. And let's see. And
I
you
am
open it. Let me
hungry.
put. And you can put something inside. That's cool.
I'm hungry.
Again. And you can sleep on it. How about a little nap? Here's a little sleep there. Oh, that's adorable. Look how cute.
It's the morning.
Oh, it's basically bedtime thing. At least most of it is.
It's morning. It's a lotto.
Oh my god. I think that thing is. I think Chase is gonna be attached to that thing all year. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Here, what do you want to eat? Fish?
Yes, fish.
Fish or lettuce?
Fish.
Give us a like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Goodbye.